Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY H7 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to wipe and clear the pairing history off of it so that you can just set these headphones up like they're new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this really easily. We just need to make sure first we have a decent charge on these headphones, and second we want them to be turned on. And then with them on, with a decent charge, we're just going to push this switch and hold it towards the Bluetooth area, keeping an eye on this indicator light. So while we push it and hold it there for about 10 seconds, waiting for this light to blink red for 2 seconds. Once it blinks red for 2 seconds, that means the reset is complete. We can go ahead and release it, and now we can just set these headphones up like they're a brand new set of headphones.